Cowhand by Johnny Mercer, 1936, made famous by Bing Crosby. I've got it capoed on the 3rd fret, so everything I say will be relative to the 3rd fret. So if I say I'm playing a C chord, it's going to look like this. I did this in the key of G. I start off with a single D note on the 2nd string. The melody looks like this. I start off with single notes on the D, and then go to a C6, which is a C with an added A note, and that's your melody. That A note stays when you go to the D chord with the F sharp bass. D with an F sharp bass is just on the 2nd fret on the 6th string and the 2nd fret on the 3rd string, since you're not playing the first 2 strings at this point. When I play this C6, I often will hit the G on the 6th string, which is in the chord, to include along with the melody while I'm strumming around. I do a lot of picking around when the melody note is a whole note or a half note, which means I have extra time to fill in the space, like this. Now here's the fill in. Then you stay on this D chord, do a D7. And back to the G, playing the B as your melody note on the 2nd string, and then repeat. And the next melody is that go along with that are an E minor and a B minor. E minor and a B minor. E minor, B minor, and the last run is. And for the A chord, I'm fretted on the 2nd fret of the 3rd and 4th strings. I'm playing an open A and an open B, but fretted on these 2 middle strings, because the B is your melody note. And then you go to a D chord, but this D chord you hit 3 open strings, and then you fret on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. Those 3 strings, and then back to a G chord. So it's